So you say you want to change your life. You want focus, success, freedom. But every night you scroll yourself to sleep. Every morning you drown in noise before you even think a single thought of your own. You call it relaxing. It's not relaxing, it's rotting. You want to build something great, but your brain is built for chaos. And if your brain's a mess, your life will be too. So this is how you unfuck your brain. Part 1. You're addicted to distraction. Focus isn't some fancy skill. It's a survival instinct. It's the ability to give one thing your full attention until it bends to your will. But you've trained yourself to need constant stimulation. Silence makes you panic. Stillness feels like death. You pick up your phone every 5 minutes, not because you need it, but because your brain screams for a fix. You've rewired yourself to crave chaos, so start by breaking that loop. Turn it off, not for 10 minutes, for a full day. No phone, no music, no noise. Watch what happens. You'll feel anxious, restless, empty. That's not boredom, that's withdrawal. Withdrawal from distraction. Once you learn to live without constant noise, you'll finally hear what your mind's been trying to tell you. Part 2. You don't know what you want. Most people aren't lazy. They're just lost. They say they want success, but they never define what that even means. They chase 10 things at once and wonder why they can't finish one. You can't build a life around confusion. You need a direction. So sit down. No phone, no music, no fake productivity. Ask yourself the only question that matters. What do I actually want? Not what your parents want, not what looks good on Instagram, what you want. Then write down the path, every step, every stage, and when you wake up tomorrow, don't chase motivation. Chase that one step. That's how you enter the zone. No confusion, no noise, just pure, consistent progress. So yeah, this is how you unfuck your brain, not by watching more self-help videos, not by repeating affirmations, but by doing the one thing no one else does, taking control of what controls you. Focus, direction, system. When those three align, you'll finally become unstoppable. Not because your brain is perfect, but because you took the time to rebuild it.